Hey carry-ons, Amanda here with Have Luggage Will Travel, coming at you with tip video number 14 out of 15. And today's video, again, will be carnival specific, but I wanted to talk to you about electrical outlets and what you can expect in your stateroom. So I've got a little bit of carnival's information pulled up here that I want to talk about. It says, and I quote, "On all ships, each stateroom has one electrical outlet located at the desk. The outlet is equipped with a 3-pronged 110 volt and a 220 volt outlet. On the Carnival Celebration, Carnival Jubilee, and Mardi Gras, there are 3 outlets located at the desk. On the Carnival Spirit and Carnival Splendor, the staterooms are fitted with a 3-pronged 110 volt outlet as well as a standard Australian 3-point plug. Adapters providing 220 and 240 volts are available upon request. On the Carnival Horizon, Panorama, Sunrise, Venezia, Vista, there is one USB outlet in each stateroom. On the Carnival Celebration, Jubilee, and Mardi Gras, there are multiple USB outlets at the desk and next to the beds. The outlet in the bathroom can only be used for electric razors." What are you going to do with one plug? That's really hard. We're all charging phones. I bring my own hair dryer because I do not like the hair dryers that are provided. There's nothing wrong with them. They work. I just don't care for them. So we need more than one plug. Like, that just doesn't work. So what can you do? Well, you can bring a power strip. But hold on. Don't bring just any power strip. You cannot bring any power strip or multi-plug box, adapter, or anything like that is a surge protector. You can't bring a surge protector. And that's coming directly from Carnival's website, and I'm going to read it directly from the site. Power strips, multi-plug box outlets / adapters, and extension cords without surge protectors are allowed on board when used with proper caution. However, if such devices are determined to pose a hazard, they will be removed and returned the last day of the cruise prior to debark. So there you have it. That's the information that is coming directly from Carnival's FAQ section on their website. So please see that if you need any clarification. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, if you have luggage, you should be traveling.